Hi, it's Peter Hanley here. Just want to give you a bit of an insight on how I pick my keywords. First of all, I go to ChatGPT and I ask Chat, very friendly Chat, to give me 25-word key phrases that on the need to use AI in all marketing. And Chat came back with a group of key phrases. Now, keywords are important because that's how you're found, and if you don't get this right, you won't get found on the internet anywhere. Use keywords in blogging, in Facebook, in YouTube, in everywhere you go. So these long tail keywords are important. So that's why I asked Chat to give me some, and I gave him some ideas of what I wanted it on. I then went to a program called Jaxi. Jaxi is there is a free version. I'm using the paid version here, but we want something with traffic and low competition. So I typed in optimized marketing with AI integration and defined a keyword, and that keyword has no traffic and no competition, so that's pretty good. But if no one's looking for it, it's not where you should be. So I moved down the line, and QSR is your quantitative search profile, and it's based on a number out of 1,000, and the higher that number, the harder it is to find a spot on the internet. Whereas the traffic, which is your average traffic over here, is how much traffic in a month. So you want about, some traffic but low QSR, and that's sort of what we're looking for today. What the one I picked out was smart marketing with AI. Now, it's got traffic of 64, 11 every week. QSR of just 44. Is it good for raising? Yes, it is great. And you can have smart marketing with AI.net as a keyword, as a main address if you want it. But that's not where here. So by going from this list here to Jaxi and going through them all, you find the ones that you want. And today I found smart marketing with AI. That's a simple way to find good keywords. I just did a program on affiliate marketing, and I got first page for 5 or 6 posts. So it does work. Keywords, as I said, are the backbone of your business. When someone types in a keyword or says it into a phone, that is where they want to go. So if you're not found, the best content in the world is no good. Thank you. Like and comment and follow me for much more tips on all marketing on the internet.